Someone help me turn my logo into a keychain. Sure. Why the hell not? Alright, first thing we're going to do is open up Inkscape and browse files, new document. We're going to import over here. Where are you? Import your picture, which should be, let's see, it should be in downloads. Oh, there you are. Downloads. Boom. Phone link. Screenshot. Boom. There she is. Then I'm going to click over here, document properties. I'm just going to bring up this window. I'm going to click this. That just makes the sheet size the same size as your picture. And we'll go right click, trace bitmap. Just adjust this slider till it looks good on the preview. Let's go with that. And apply. Alright, and then we'll go back over here to layer, get rid of that image, and we can take a look at the actual bitmap. So that looks pretty good. Good enough for government work. Alright, delete this image, and I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Save As. We need to save as a DXF file. I'm going to save this to downloads. Just right in there. Rogue spider logo. Alright, save. Alright, you want to have your settings look just like this. And click OK. Alright, still thinking. Done. Get out of there. Alright, now that we're logged into OnShape, I'm going to create a document, call it spider logo for random guy. Create public document. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sketch on that plane and press N and P. N to normalize the plane and P to get rid of the plane. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a DXF import, and I got Rogue Spider logo open. One problem we might have is that it might be, alright, might be too big. Maybe not though, just thinking. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Alright, so we don't need this or any of this crap. Or that, so we can delete that. Because there's so many lines, it lags a bit. Let's look at the original picture again. Okay, yeah. Alright, cool. You want a keychain, so I'm just going to add some curves here. I'm just going to wing it. That's probably good enough. Yeah. Let's go there, and then we can do a circle. Come on, it's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. Come on now. Boom. Circle. Love it. Sketch is done. Alright, now we're going to need to do an extrude. I'm going to do 5 millimeters, and I'm going to have it go on away. And we'll create the back. There we go. It's thinking, it's thinking. There we go. So we got a nice back. We've got the sketch on the face of the extrude. So we'll leave that. Let's see that sketch again, and we'll do another extrude. This time, I'm going to get rid of that too. We'll go like that again, but we'll get rid of something colors. Let's see, here's the lettering. Alright. So white and then black. So we want the outline to be, oop, let's do 1 millimeter. Do erased. There we go. Actually, sorry, we want to get rid of that one. Come on. It's thinking, it's thinking. Come on, baby. The suspense is killing me. There we go, that's what we want. Alright, and then there's going to be some little details that still need to be deselected. Get all the white and black figured out. Yeah, no, that one should stay, that one should go. There we go. And it's still thinking, it's trying to catch up. Got some little baby details here. Yeah. I don't know if those will show up in the print, but that'll be good enough. Alright, I'll give it a second to, no, let's get these guys. You know what? We don't want that either. We gotta go back and fix that on the other one. Alright, it's done thinking. Let's see if we missed anything. Alright, there's a couple little bits here. Looks like we got everything else. Let's take a look at the original. Yeah, that looks right. Oop, I see, I missed that guy. I think that all looks good. Alright, cool. So that's good. I need to go back in here and fix this. There we go. That should do it. Now it's still thinking. Drink more coffee. While it's doing that, and get rid of the sketch. Still thinking. There we go. Yeah, baby. Alright, let's change the colors here so we can get the full effect. We want black. Okay. Come on. Alright, then we want white. Alright, look at that. That looks pretty dang cool. Alright, and that's how you do it.